What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, so I'm just out here, out and about. You know, gotta go run to the grocery store real quick because we got some nasty weather coming through. Like right now, I'm gonna show you guys what, you know, the state of Kansas has been dealing with the last couple days. Actually, I can't complain too much. It's been on and off, you know what I mean? So it's like been snowing. Then it was cold, and then it was decent, you know, one day. We finally just got rid of like most of our snow. The streets were terrible like a couple days ago. You know, you could barely move around in it. But today is gonna be the worst, man. They're calling for 69 inches of snow here. Right now, I'm gonna show you. Right now, it's just been it's like rain. It's rain once it hits surface, but like falling from the sky, it looks like big snowflakes. So we're supposed to have this like all day today. So I figured since, you know, it just started like at noon. So I figured I better get out, get my stuff done, and get back to the house before it gets all crazy. And they're saying even with the wind is supposed to be like 30-40 mile an hour wind, so they're talking like blizzard-like conditions. So I figured I'd get out here, get a video for you guys before I get trapped inside the house and I ain't able to do nothing. But yeah, this is what we've been dealing with for the last like 2.5 weeks. Is this stuff right here. So I wish I could get out and do some more stuff, but you know, weather permitting, boy, I'm telling you that weather is, you know, all the old folks around the state, you know, they were sitting there, they're predicting that they were gonna have like a wet winter. Well, they were in line, you know, because they all follow that Farmer's Almanac, and you know, I never even really thought about the Farmer's Almanac. I really didn't pay much attention to it, but when the old folks start talking about the Farmer's Almanac and how much weather we're gonna get in the wintertime, whew, they weren't lying this time. It's been wet, wet, wet. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna run here to the store and go grab a few things that we need, because I don't know when the next time I'll be able to get out, besides, you know, when I gotta go back to work. But other than that, man, it's like I said, it's rain. It's supposed to be rain, and then it's supposed to be like sleet, and then back into and then snow. So 69 inches of snow on top of all that. So the joys of living in Kansas. I need to move somewhere where it's warm. Real. Anyways, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna run in here, grab some few things, and then I'll jump back on here. I gotta go check my P.O. box for my other channel, for my motorcycle channel. So I'm gonna check that out before you know, a few people on that channel sent me a few things. So as soon as I get back from the store, we'll get it recorded. Back on here, start recording again, and then we'll wrap this video up. So, alright, I'll see you in a few. Alright guys, I'm back. Just got back from the store. It's really starting to come down now, so I'm surprised it's not sticking yet. Me and the stove. But anyways, I just want to tell y'all about something else that I discovered last, or was it last night? No, it was the night before last. Well, actually yesterday morning. So yesterday morning I woke up and was heading to work, and I kept hearing something hit the side of my car. So I pulled over, decided to go check it out. I don't know if somebody's been tampering with my shit or what, but my side marker, if you guys seen the side marker on a Challenger, it's just that little red light that sits there on the side. On the passenger side was hanging just by some wires, and I had like 4 clips that was off my bumper. Like, it wasn't like that the day before, and I noticed it yesterday morning. So I don't know if somebody be messing around with my shit or what, but there's nothing more than people tampering with people's shit. Like, and that's one thing I don't tolerate. If you got a problem with me, don't take it out of the car. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I was super hot, and you know, you work hard to get your money, or to earn your money, so you can have nice stuff like this, and then for somebody to go and just tear it up or whatever, because I didn't hit nothing, my wife didn't hit nothing, so I mean, why else would that thing, you know, side marker be hanging, and you got 4 clips that have been unclipped from the bumper cover. So like, that's the stuff that irritates me, is when people want to mess with your shit. But you know, I apologize for the language on here, but that's one thing I just don't tolerate, you know. So I'm just gonna I don't know what I'm gonna do. I put it back together, it fits fine. You know, everything went back together. The bumper covers clipped back into place, but that's not the point. The point is that somebody wanted to do some shit to my car. Like, I don't deal with that stuff, you know. I don't know, man. The people in the world today, mad haters. They mad at you because you are, I don't want to say, you know, what am I looking for? I'm not trying to say that, you know, I'm good where I'm at, because you know, I'm long far from that. But, you know, I've earned my way to get, you know, the car that I want, you know. So, and for somebody to hate on that, you know, that's stupid. You know, like, why hate on somebody that's got a nice ride that they want, and you gotta go tear it up? I don't know who it was, but I know that I was hot when I found out about it. So just be careful out there, guys. You know, keep your stuff put up, man. I guess, I don't know what to say. Just keep your stuff, you know, on lockdown, or, you know, have, you know, put it in a garage or something. My garage is full, so I don't have, you know, I don't have the space yet. And it's only a 1-car garage, so, you know, the and my bike's in there. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna go check this P.O. box. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hitting that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you can get all the videos I post. And like always, I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.